check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. The Mercedes Unimog U500 is now here. Get them their very own electric ride-on version of this incredible truck. If you're looking for something a little bit different from the rest, then look no further, because RiiRoo have you covered. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.